Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So welcome back to another carpool chat. It's a hot day. So in my, I'm trying to do these videos like once a week because that's about how often I end up picking up Blake from school. Well, in my last video, I kind of did like a life update and I told you about how on July 19th, my son was in a serious car accident. The following week or week after that, around there, we found out my father-in-law had cancer. Within 1 month on August 22nd, he ended up passing away. So it's been kind of a rough couple months, right? So we were pretty excited for September, and I'm like, September is going to be better. It started off good, and then last weekend, we were at a expo. We were at like a farming kind of expo. It's a homesteading expo, and he got bit by a deer tick. And if you don't know, deer ticks are the ones that carry like Lyme disease, Rocky Mountain spotted fever, that kind of thing. The tick-borne illnesses. Anyway, so within 24 hours, he had a high fever, a lot of joint pain. You know, the typical symptoms, but I thought the symptoms were a little early to start. I do work at in a medical clinic. I'm a social worker there. So on Monday morning, I asked our primary care provider there, I'm like, hey, this is going on. And he was like, oh, get him in immediately. And so long story short, he has been diagnosed with a tick-borne illness. Now, we don't know if that is he suspects it is Rocky Mountain spotted fever. It could be Lyme disease or various other types of tick-borne illnesses. You don't really know what kind of it is for a week or so until you start making antibodies for that kind of thing. Now, the good thing is that it's all treated the same. So he has started taking some very strong antibiotics twice a day. He'll be doing that for the next, 2 weeks. Can't be in the sunlight, that kind of thing. Just a lot of craziness. Craziness. And in conjunction to that, I guess the day or two after that, our son came down with just an illness, like a virus. He's just sick. Not the same symptoms, not the same thing, just bad timing. So I in no way want these carpool chat, like car lane chat, whatever videos to be bad news or at all. In fact, I want them to be inspirational. It's just kind of the last couple weeks, right? So I thought, because in my last week video, I was really going home, like, well, I'm going to get a bunch of videos filmed. I'm going to get them uploaded, and I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do that, because I miss it, and I love crafts and things like that. But here we are again, another week of absolute chaos with my husband being sick with this, fluke thing, and now my son being sick, and I'm like, what is happening? So then again, this video is just going to basically be like, sorry, I'm not posting a whole lot. Yeah, they are coming. So, yeah, tell me about some of your fall crafts that you guys are going to be doing. I bought some things at the Dollar Tree. Oh, the Dollar Tree. Guys, I'm going to do a video soon, very soon, but I'll give you a sneak peek. Okay, so I have these laundry baskets. It's for a craft project. I'm sorry, I'm trying. So, but guess what the Dollar Tree is getting in? Christmas stuff, right? So I didn't buy a lot of Dollar Tree Christmas things because I'm like, just not ready yet, which is crazy because I'm always ready for Christmas. But they had these snow globes, guys. Don't pay any attention to my horrible fingernails. It's just been one of those weeks, right? But they had these snow globes, and I did pick up a package of snow. They usually don't run out of this, but I'm thinking these are probably going to sell out pretty dang quick. So I picked up one. I probably should have picked up more. There are kind of instructions inside to make your own snow globe. Now, my youngest loves snow globes. He absolutely loves them. So I went ahead and got that. So guys, Dollar Tree is getting in their Christmas things. Let's put this into perspective. Dollar Tree is getting in Christmas items. Look. Yeah, it's 93 degrees. 93. Now, I'm all about that team, like, put out your Christmas stuff early so we can plan early and all of that. But I gotta say, when I'm sweating and it's 93 degrees, I just really ain't feeling the Christmas thing. Yeah, I'm telling you, and that's again, I'm ready for Christmas all year long. So, I mean, I am like Mrs. Claus. And yeah. So, but yeah, wow, I got you here, right? I did pick up a couple. I like to put these in the bathroom. As hand towels are a really quick, cute way to like decorate for Halloween. And then I got a couple other little things. I got an apple core. Have you guys used the Dollar Tree apple core? Is it good? Is it junk? Let me know. Let me know. Oh yeah, that's what's going on in my life. My husband has a tick-borne illness. It's 93 degrees, and the Dollar Tree has Christmas things out. Just a normal week. I cut off my last video, but I just want to let you guys know that I will be back soon with more videos. So hit like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the comments below. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.